Today we're going to wire up a 4x4 keypad with an Arduino and make sure it's working properly. Alright, so first let's quickly understand how the keypad works. It has 8 pins and 4 for rows and 4 for columns. Basically, when you press a button, it connects a row pin with a column pin, and that's how the Arduino knows which key was pressed. Alright, let's wire this up. You'll need 8 jumper wires, one for each pin on the keypad. Here's how you should connect them to the Arduino Uno. First pin row 1 to the Arduino pin 9 pin, row 2 to pin 8 pin, row 3 to pin 7, fourth pin row 4 to pin 6, and now the columns. Fifth pin column 1 to pin 5 or 6, pin column 2 to pin 4, 7th pin column 3 to pin 3, 8th pin column 4 to pin 2. Now let's upload the test code to see if our wiring is correct. After uploading, open the serial monitor. Now, when I press a key, the correct number or letter should appear. And that's it. Your 4x4 keypad is now working perfectly with Arduino. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.